Hello, my name's Lynn Beyer and I'm a teacher here in the health area at the Gordon. I'm here to talk about the Certificate 3 in Health Service Assistance course. People who work in this industry are commonly called ward clerks or orderlies or patient service assistants. This course gives you the skills and knowledge to be able to work as a patient service assistant. You'll be studying electives such as food, menus, cleaning, making beds, transporting clients and assisting nurses to move the patients around in the bed. To be able to work as a patient service assistant, you require the Certificate 3 in Health Services. This is the minimum requirement to work in that job role. A typical day for a PSA would involve cleaning, transporting patients around the hospital, taking their menu orders and assisting the nurses in any of the jobs that they may need to do. As a patient service assistant, you're not dealing in direct patient care. That is the job of the nurse to do. But depending on which ward you're working in, you will have different allocations. So if you are working in emergency, you'd be doing a lot more transporting of patients around the hospital than if you were working on a surgical ward where you would be doing cleaning most of the time. Working in health is an industry that's constantly growing. As our population ages, we have people leaving the workforce and we have new hospitals being built. So there's lots of job security in this job role. Working at Bowen Health, you can expect to have flexible hours, which suits a lot of people's lifestyles, and you do have the ability to work 7 days a week, so that can fit in well with other commitments in the family. A typical day would start at 6:30 for the morning shift and you'd finish at 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and if you were doing the afternoon shift you would start at 3 and finish at 9. Again, that gives you flexibility to fit in with other family commitments. It is a physically demanding job because you're on your feet all day and you do have to have a certain amount of mobility. You will be going up and down stairs, bending whilst you're cleaning, and you do have to be able to push a wheelchair around the hospital. Working as a PSA, you're going to have good communication skills. Even though you don't have direct patient care, you are dealing with the patient, helping them take their menus, and you're also transporting them around. So you do need to be able to communicate with them and make them feel at ease while you're doing this job. When you're working in the hospital, you'll be working with very vulnerable people, so you do have to be honest and reliable. You also have to be able to have compassion because you'll be dealing with people in situations where they're scared, frightened, and also their relatives as well. You will be working as part of a healthcare team, so you have to be a team player and enjoy working with people because in health, everyone is just as important and you are an important person in that health team. Why choose the Gordon to do the Certificate 3 in Health Service Assistance course? Well, our course is different because we work very, very closely with Bowen Health. We select the electives together to ensure that you are work ready. We also offer 120 hours of placement in a clinical setting so that you're getting hands-on experience. You can put all the theory that you've learnt in class into practice. You'll be buddied up with someone whilst you're on placement and they'll be able to show you what it is like to work as a PSA in an acute setting. We also have guest speakers that come from Bowen Health. They deliver units within the course, and we are also able to use their simulation rooms and use the wards as part of our teaching as well. So you're getting lots of hands-on experience that isn't the usual within a course like this. This course is in high demand due to the job security and also the variety of work that you can do once you become a PSA. We therefore have a lot of applications and we do have a selection process that every student must go through. As part of the selection process, we have interview, we have the application that you've written, and we also have your literacy and numeracy score. So it is really important that you put the time and thought and make us a very impressive application so that that can be included in your selection score. So if you haven't applied already, please take the time and go online and make an application. Put the time and effort into it and make sure that you answer the questions in lots of detail, and we will look forward to seeing you in the interview.